back to my channel. So although it's not officially fall yet, we're basically experiencing fall weather outside. So today for this Sunday meal prep, I'm going to be making recipes that are very autumn centric. So I'm going to be making a pumpkin overnight oat, a pumpkin lasagna, and a root veggie soup. So I'm so excited to dive into these sort of comforting recipes. And I also have an orange sweater on to kind of get us into that mood. So without further ado, let's get started.
So here I'm making some pumpkin pie overnight oats. You guys know how much I love my overnight oats. They're just so simple to make. So here I am putting some pumpkin puree in there along with some different spices that I'm spilling all over my counter, and of course some maple syrup. So next I'm making a pumpkin lasagna. So I mixed together some pumpkin puree and some coconut milk to make the pumpkin layer, added a layer of mushrooms and onions, as well as some vegan mozzarella cheese. That's what that is there. And I'm just layering noodles between all of those. And this turned out amazing. So I would definitely recommend trying that. And then next I'm making a smoked tofu sandwich. So I'm just slicing the tofu here after I've pressed it for about 15 minutes. A broken half there, but that's okay. So slicing it, and then I'm adding it to a pan that I'm mixing together a marinade and just putting it on top of the tofu to marinate for about a half an hour. You can skip this step and not marinate it for so long, but I just find the tofu soaks up the flavor that much better. And then here I am starting the white bean root veggie soup. So I'm just chopping everything up. That's the best tip I have before starting a soup, just making sure you have everything chopped up so it's just easy to throw into the saucepan so you can let that cook. And then here I am just arranging the inputs for my tofu sandwich. So I just put everything ahead of time in these containers, and when I'm about to put the sandwich together, then that's when I would spread everything on the bread, etc. And here is the pumpkin lasagna. So I actually, like I said, I love this. It turned out so good. Would definitely recommend it.
Alright, so we have our pumpkin pie overnight oats, and then the root veggie and spinach and white bean soup right here. Then we have the pumpkin lasagna. I can't wait to try that one especially. And then we have our tofu sandwiches. These are just the inputs, and I'm going to be making a sandwich with them once the time comes. Alright, so that was my Sunday meal prep using fall-centered foods. So if you want the recipes, head on over to nicolosingha.com for the full recipes that you can download, print out, and don't forget to subscribe because every Sunday I'm making these videos for you. And leave me a message if there's any other videos that you would like to see. I'll definitely take them into consideration. Thank you very much and have a great day.